Want to know how to create a Python program using Claude AI? So Claude has the ability in order to write your programs with various languages as well, whether that be C, C Sharp, C++ or more. So one more also is Python. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily write your code using Python. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Claude.ai website and you should be on this interface right here. And now once you're on this interface, here should be seeing the chat box, and right below you should be seeing code as well. You can just simply select that, and now here should be seeing, sometimes you should be seeing Python code popping up as well. You can just simply select that for a quick prompt. So if that does not appear, you can just simply type in this prompt as well. Now once you have typed in this, just simply select enter. And now once you have selected enter, as you can see right here, your Claude should start working and it will create your Python program just like this right here. And after a while, you should be able to copy it, paste it and download it as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.